in Trans Studio.
Oh yeah, me too. No experience in Trans Studio.
Yesterday at Trans Studio Bandung, we can play a variety of rides ranging from light to extreme. So, how was your experience there?
For me, playing at SB, I enjoyed pleasure. I could travel on horseback. Not only that, I also visit haunted house.
Okay, if I was in Trans Studio, I was very happy because I could play a lot of extreme rides, one of which was vertigo.
Guys, what are you talking about? We talk about our experience in the SB yesterday.
Yes, that's right.
Sin, how was your experience in yesterday?
I played a lot of games there. My favorite game ride is roller coaster.
So, how did you feel yesterday?
I feel so happy. My feelings are challenging.
I'm so happy because there are many rides came in the SB.